Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Wrapped in Christmas stamp set from the Heartwarming Hugs Suite. So here's the card and the supplies, and then here is the Wrapped in Christmas stamp set. So it's part of the Heartwarming Hugs Suite, which is on page 8 of the catalog. And here are some samples showing you different ways that you can use the products in the suite. And the suite includes the Designer Series paper. There's a Warm Hugs bundle and the Wrapped in Christmas stamp set. There's a coffee carrier and mini coffee cups like this. Isn't this cute? There are embossing folders and ribbons and glitter star ornaments. So here's the stamp set again. And then here are the ribbons. We're going to use the linen one. And then here are the stars. So fun. And then the paper, we're going to use the scraps of the paper. This is a great way to use up your scraps. So if you ever have scraps and you don't know what to do with them, you can make a card like this. So you just trim them all to 1/4 of an inch by 5.5, and then you can just add some adhesive to them and lay them all out on your card. And just start adhering them. And it's fun because you can use the front and the back. Actually, I'm going to do this one next. So just line them up together. Actually, I'm going to sneak this one in here. Whoop. See all these scraps of paper? Fun, fun. And we'll do this one. Okay. Got a little bit of extra adhesive here, and it looks like we're not quite to the edge. So I'm going to go ahead and use my little mini trimmer, and I'm just going to trim off this edge right here. Okay. And the adhesive. And then I've got this piece of vellum cut out with the stitched rectangle dies. So I'm going to attach it in the middle. then I've got this label from the Hippo and Friends dies, and I'm going to emboss this. So Versamark and gold embossing powder. Oops, I'm going to use my little powder buddy. We'll just flick some of that excess powder off. Make sure there's enough powder on the S. Looks good. And then use the tweezers. We'll heat this up. Okay, now we will attach this to the card. Using some dimensionals. And the last step, we'll add some ribbon, and I'm going to add a little jingle bell. I wonder if my cat heard that. It's like I heard her coming. Because her toys have bells. Yeah, she's coming. So we'll just take a glue dot to attach it to the corner right here. And there we have our Christmas card. So cute. So I'm offering a class on this suite, the Heartwarming Hugs card kit. So all you have to do is place a $30 order by going to my website, elainescreations.net, and using this hostess code to place the order. And then just send me an email and let me know that you would like the Heartwarming Hugs card kit, and I will send it to you for free. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Bye.